Welcome everybody again to the Enrique Otarola show. You can find us on YouTube and you can learn more at enrique25may.blogspot.com. Well, I left it in the air, the idea of business. I was talking about this client that I use as an example. Let's call her Gloria. Gloria went downtown to the warehouse district and she bought a whole bunch of items with wholesale price, like clothing, jewelry, makeup, purses, that kind of thing, you know. And then she went to her friends and started selling them. I suggest her to buy these things and then sell it for a little bit of profit, and I even gave her like a 10% added that so she can start making a little profit out of it, and she did well. So that's that with business, how starting a business if it's selling stuff. For guys, I will say guys like different things, although we guys like also clothes, colognes and that kind of thing, but I was saying we have other interests like cars, car accessories, video games, you name it, movies. There's a lot of things. You can just search online and see what you like, or simply think yourself, like if you are sitting in front of your computer, when you go and buy something, what is it? So you can start, like, you don't need to buy much, just buy a little bit and then try to resell it. Or you can go also to those garage sales and buy these useful items for really cheap and then try to resell them, and then voila, you started your business. Like I said, baby steps. Some other people ask me, hey Enrique, how can I start a business? I don't have a business license and I don't have that, I need to incorporate. And I'm like, whoa, slow down. Before thinking of that, you may want to try to just start simple, because you don't even know if it's going to work or not, or you don't even know, maybe you're going to give up. There are a lot of things can happen. So just start simple, all right? Okay, about LLCs and corporations and all that kind of stuff that I get asked a lot, don't worry about that. That's like a way too high there. The best way to start is with a sole proprietorship. That's filing a Schedule C on your tax return, which is the simplest way of business that it could exist. And then when that kind of work, when you have an idea how it's working, and then your income gets like a few dozens of or $10,000s of dollars, then I will say, okay, go and create your LLC. You have to file paperwork with the state. Then after that, if the business keeps growing and growing, and then you are like doing more money, a couple of hundreds of thousands, then I will say, okay, go ahead and incorporate, or go ahead and create your partnership. But again, I'm not here to give any legal advice or any of that. So I will say consult to your lawyer or your tax professional. Okay, just to keep that things clear. All right, going back to our presentation show. So any questions there in the back? Well, anyway, like I was mentioning on our first segment, this is our first Enrique Otarola show. We have this YouTube channel, and you can read more on my blog and the website as well. We are testing our new video equipment and all this wonderful light setting and our new, small, but we're gonna get there eventually, small studio. So, any questions in the back? You, the blonde, the 6'2" blonde guy, what is your question?
How much does it cost to get a business license?
To get a business license is really easy. It depends on the county and the city. It could be from $10, $15, $20, $25. I think City of LA is like about $25 if I'm not wrong. But it's really simple. It's really easy, believe me. Alright guys, we are running out of time on our first segment, so I'm sorry, on our second segment. So thank you everybody for tuning up into our first Enrique Otarola show. Have everybody a wonderful one morning, night, or whatever you're in the world, and I'll be here around, I'll be around, so to answer your questions, feel free to email me, okay? Enrique25may@hotmail.com. You can go to our blog to read more into it. Enrique25may.blogspot.com. All right. Good night, everybody.